Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and set up the custom LED notifications for your SONY Xperia Pro-I. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Write NotifyBuddy and press on the loop. Now select this app and select install. After it's done, we can open the app and instantly proceed to the next step. From here we need to grant the two permissions to the app, so let's just do that. Select NotifyBuddy and allow notification access. Allow, go back, and do the same thing with a second one. Allow, go back. And the third option here is totally optional. You don't need to disable it, but if the app doesn't work properly, you should do that. Now move to the next step, press OK, and our app is ready to be used. So from here you can see a few tabs. There's a user, system, active, and settings. Let's go to user, and from user you can pick from which apps you want to get notifications from. So in this example I'm gonna choose Netflix. In the system apps it works the same as in user, but here you have the all of the system apps like Google Chrome or Clock or all stuff like that. In the active tab you'll have all of the apps that you've allowed the LED notifications for, and in the settings you can customize or disable the LED. So you can change its size, place, the LED blinking time, interval, all kinds of stuff, but some of the options are locked behind the premium. Now to see how that looks, we can press on the test and we'll see this LED lamp right here, and that's how it's gonna look when our phone is locked and we get the notification in this example from Netflix. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.